Let's go over Keyword Explorer. You can access Keyword Explorer from the main listing, or you can actually go to the Market Research tab and access it from there. When you click on the Keyword Explorer, there's a pop-up that comes from the right. So for example, if I'm trying to say mock-up, I'm going to search for that keyword and it will show me exactly like how many listings it has, what is the keyword difficulty, how much average prices and estimated revenue. You will also see like what is the basic listing performance. It will show you like competition analysis of that particular keyword. So here it lies in the orange quadrant, which means it is high demand and high competition. And this says that the keyword is harder to rank due to its higher competition, but the high demand makes it worth considering. So you will get these insights for every keyword you type, and for that reason, it helps you actually pick better tags for your listings right from the editing mode of a listing. You will also see like similar keywords underneath that, like what people are looking for. Wall markup, for example, pattern markups, e-commerce markups. So that gives you an idea of what could be the potential tag that you can use for your listing. We'll go over this in more detail when we go over the Keyword Explorer and Market Research. But yeah, there's also related keywords, which means basically like this is kind of the keywords that we see very often in other listings on Etsy. So people either say, for example, like I typed mock space up, and they say that people use mockup or mock dash up or mockup bundles, all these things. You can select any of them. It gives you ideas of good tags to use for your listing. And also I can click into it and I can keep clicking to keep going to like build my keyword list. Once you selected a keyword, you just like add to the listing. Or if you found a good keyword but you're not sure that you want to use it for this listing, you can add it to the list. Here, you can select whichever list. You can create a new list and just add it to the list. To exit this Keyword Explorer, you will just click this collapse button on the top right corner, and it goes away and goes back to the initial view you had.